Hello guys, welcome to Prof One YT channel. So this is a video about how we can make money online as a university student, right? So let's get into the intro of this video. Welcome back. So now, as a university student, how can you earn money? That's the question. Whoa, can you take an advantage of the university and earn money online? The answer is yes, you can do that. So this video is going to give you step by step on how you can make money as a university student, being first year, second year, third year, or even final. So now, when I was in level 100, I was advised by a lecturer to do something online which will give me money. I didn't believe it, right? So I decided to try it. So from here, I'm going to teach you what I did from level 100 and how it helped me to now I'm earning online as a university student. So now, what is this thing I'm talking about that we can earn money from? You see, you're watching me, right? That's what I'm talking about. You are watching me. So it is YouTube. YouTube, the journey of YouTube. The journey is not that easy, but as a university student, you being in the university give you an advantage to get certain things very easy, as I did mine, right? So very simple. That's what will help you to earn. As you can see, I've started earning, and I'm proud of myself to say that I'm a YouTuber. So this is the way that you can earn money as a university student. Yes, someone who asks, how can we earn, or how can we do it so fast that we'll start earning from YouTube? Well, check my next video coming. Check the description of this video and go to the next video on how to set up the YouTube, get monetized, and also how to get the 4,000 watch hours very fast with 1,000 subscribers very fast.